This is the internal elevator here at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. This is also Montgomery KONE. 3. I'll open the phone here. Wow, that was a good motor. There's the glass one there. We just rode that one. Door closes when you push the button. 88 compliant chrome. Let's get a Capia now. This one's actually sort of basic. And it's a little bit smaller than the glass elevator. Show indicator, Boulder Innovation Universal buttons. 35 hydrogen capacity is your COP. We'll watch the indicator change again. The indicator glitched for a sec. Honestly, I would prefer the glass elevators over this. This one's obviously just like not as exciting, but except for the motor though. Alright, here at 1. Here we go. Alright, we will watch the door close now. There it goes in. That'll be it.